everyone, welcome back to my channel. The topic begins now. Today I'll be continuing the Aquarium Project. And so in the last video we made a window, which was pretty cool. And now what we can do, we pretty much finished. So what you can do is basically just you go here and you can render the image. But before that, I want to change this, so like that. That should be good. So change it to 1500. And now we need to do an animation. So if we select the camera, and if you press I, location and rotation, and then don't mind that keyframe, that's just nothing. So now what you want to do is let's see. So let's move our keyframe to 130. Then let's move the camera here. R7 or Z, and then RY RX and RY. Okay, GZ, and then RY, and then RX, like this, and then yeah, this is okay. Press I, location, rotation. Then you want to go to 135. And you want to move this here. GZ, RZ, and then you can look here. Like this, and then let's move up to frame number 45, and then we can like move it here. R7, like this. RY, RX, Control Z. I think this will be fine. And then you also select this and you go to select this and then go to edit mode, and then select go to edge select and select this side and press Shift Alt and select that and press EZX. Like that. And then if you go to object mode, if you play the animation, okay, now that's a bit fast. And also this gets in the way, so if you go to edit mode, press EX and move it here. I press Control Z. G, X. Now if we play it. Now, again, now if you select the camera, okay, let us just edit it, move the keyframes to where you want, and then yeah, I'll stop when I'm done. Okay, now let's set the endpoint to 250, and now I basically want to like move everything like one step like there. $220. We want to move this like back here. R7, RZ, RZ. R7. Like that. So let's move it here, move that here. Now I'm done, like the basic animation, so let's play it. Now that we've done that, want the fish in the tank to also move. So if we go to here, press GX, move it here. if you go up to Z-axis, if you turn on X-ray mode, press I, location and rotation. And by the way, select this so like it makes a keyframe whenever you do like an edit. And then we want to go to here, and we want to make it here. Go here. And then go to 30. Move it here. 35. Move it here. Go to 40. Move it here. Go to 45. Move it here. Go to 150. Here. Go to 155. Press G here, and then press R. Press 160. Press G, and then press R. 165. Press G, and press R. 170. Go here. So. Press G. Go to 185. Press 190. Press G. Go to 195. Press G. 200. Press G. 205. G. 210. Press G. Over here. G. 220. Press G. 225. Press over here. R. 230. Over here. 135. Here. 241. Here. 245. G, and then 50, G. Now, if we look at in this view mode, it looks like that. Now, if we play it in the fish is swimming while we're turning all around. Now you could add more things, more models and stuff to the animation, but I think I'll keep it like this for now. Now, I just want to make sure. Okay, yeah, the fish is visible. Now, what we want to do first is like this. Go to edit mode. Shift Alt. Press E, Y, E, X. And then if we select our camera, go to frame number 1. Let's move our, let's go to object mode. G. Oh yeah. Move it inside. Get this keyframe. Put it in. So now we play it. And now we're finished. So what you want to do is press render, animation. Oh, and before you do that, go to go to app. So go to here and go to output. Select where you want to output it. So I want to output it in Elena, can you keep quiet, Dumbo? Can you be quiet? Okay, so save it where you want it to be saved. So I'm gonna call it Aquarium and Fish. I don't know. Accept. And now you want it to be FFmpeg video and done. Render animation. Now this may take some time, so you guys wanna wait. You guys wanna wait for it to render, and I'll be back when it's done.